The total was 10,248.
Wow.
So congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Richard.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Success of Pakistan. Today, I'm bursting with pride to share an incredible achievement that has brought glory to our nation. Pakistan has just claimed the Guinness World Record for creating the world's largest human waving flag. This extraordinary feat was accomplished by a staggering 10,248 students from the Lahore Garrison Education System, also known as LGES. Can you imagine the coordination, the effort, and the sheer willpower that went into this? But this is not just a record, it's a symbol of our nation's unity, inclusivity, and resilience. It showcases the power of collective effort and the spirit of patriotism that binds us all together. Let me paint the picture for you. Picture thousands of students standing shoulder to shoulder, forming the iconic green and white flag of Pakistan. As one, they wave, creating a breathtaking visual that captures the essence of our national pride. This wasn't just about setting a record, it was about making a statement that says, together, we are stronger. Together, we can achieve anything. Now, let's dive into the stories behind this historic event. These students, each one a beacon of hope and determination, practiced tirelessly for months. Their dedication is a reflection of the spirit that drives our country forward. And it wasn't just the students. The organizers, teachers, and volunteers played a crucial role. Their meticulous planning and unwavering commitment ensured that every detail was perfect. One of the students shared, "It was more than just a record for us. It was about showing the world what Pakistan stands for." Can you feel the pride in those words? Behind the scenes, the atmosphere was electric. Rehearsals, logistics, and countless hours of hard work culminated in a moment that will be remembered forever. It was a collective dream realized through sheer determination and a love for our country. But what does this achievement mean for Pakistan and its people? It's a reminder of our potential, a testament to what we can achieve when we come together. It's an inspiration for future generations to dream big and work hard. As we celebrate this momentous occasion, let's honor the incredible individuals who made it happen. Their story is our story, a story of unity, strength, and an unwavering love for our homeland. So join me in spreading this pride, share this video, like, and subscribe to the channel. Let's show the world the spirit of Pakistan. Thank you for watching, and remember, we are stronger together. Until next time, take care and stay proud.